Everything is flipped upside down.
Yeah.
That's the whole aspect of queer theory, right? To turn everything good into bad and to flip everything upside down. So to me, no, sexuality and sex is not a social construct. It's a biological reality. We are, for instance, of course, chromosomally, we define sex as XX female or XY for male. And sex is detectable very early in utero. And science is clear on that fact. There's no uh, kind of controversy over that. Now, there's a couple tests that they do regularly on women for other reasons sometimes, but there's an NIPT test, which is non-invasive parental blood testing. And so it's done between 10 and 13 weeks, 99% accurate. And they can tell whether that little baby, and I'll call them babies, fetuses, I guess is fine too, but not blobs, but they can tell the sex at 10 to 13 weeks. Hello. And then there's another test that's called CVS, and it's a test that takes a small sample of cells, and it's from the placenta, so it's relatively non-invasive. I wouldn't suggest anyone have these tests. I don't like to see young moms having those kind of tests because I always think anything into the uterus is invasive to the babe. But those cells are taken from the placenta, and that test is 100% accurate. And again, 10 to 13 weeks. That's pretty early, right?
Right.
So this is not something we have to disagree about. There is no disagreement. It's fact. It's absolute fact. And any stage genetic testing is absolutely without error.